You won't be rich, you won't have wealth, but you'll have something much better. Respect in the professional army. You will be respected wherever you go.
After the war, Mrs. Gandhi went on in 1973 to elevate you to Field Marshal. But did she also offer you the job of Chief of Defence Staff to go with it?
No. No, she didn't. She made me a Field Marshal. She said, Sam, you like the British, will you go as High Commissioner? And I said, no, Prime Minister, you've forgotten my oath. When I took over as Army Chief, I'd taken an oath and I told you I will accept nothing from the government, but I will command my army without any interference. She said, but you accepted the rank of Field Marshal. And I said, that was my birthright.
मैं जब एक कैंप में गया तो वहाँ सब सूबेदार मेजर और सरदार थे। तो जब मैं गया मैंने सूबेदार मेजर साहब पाकिस्तान सूबेदार मेजर साहब के हाथ मिलाया। मैंने कहा साहब मैं देख सकता हूँ? आप कहते साहब देखे। और वही सवाल हमेशा जो मेरे जवानों से पूछता हूँ वही पूछा कि साहब पलंग में खटमल तो नहीं है? कि नहीं साहब। मच्छरदानी है? मच्छरदानी हाँ साहब। मैं लंगर में जा सकता हूँ? लंगर में गया, वो जवान रोटी कूट रहा था जैसे अपने करते, उससे भी मैं खाना टेस्ट कर सकता हूँ। फिर लेट्रीन में गया, वहाँ पाकिस्तानी भंगी काम करता था, मैंने हाथ मिलाया, उसने इनकार किया। मैं कि मेरे साथ हाथ भी नहीं मिलाएगा? तो उसने हाथ मिलाया। जब हम वापस आ गए तो वो सूबेदार मेजर साहब मुझे कहते हैं कि हजूर आप गुस्ताखी माफ़ करेंगे? मैं कहा आप सूबेदार मेजर साहब हैं, जो मर्जी है कहें। कहता अब हमें मालूम हो गई साहब कि आपकी फ़ौज क्यों जीती है। आप आए, आपने हमसे पूछा खाना ठीक है, खटमल तो नहीं है, मच्छरदानी है वगैरह। भंगी के साथ भी आपने हाथ मिला। हमारे साहब लोग ऐसा नहीं करते, वो अपने आप को नवाबजादे समझते हैं।
I went to Pakistan about 2 months after the conflict, and they really gave me a first-class welcome. The governor, this was at Lahore, the governor invited me for lunch, gave me a martini before lunch, wines at lunch, and during lunch he said, General, will you do me a favor? So I said, if I can, Mr. Governor, I will. I thought he was going to be asking me about some relation of it. He said, my staff is outside. They want to shake hands with you. I went out, and there they were all lined up. About the 11th man took his pagri off and put it at my feet. So I picked it up. I gave it to him. ये क्यों आपने किया? कहता हजूर आप थे तो हम बच गए। मेरे 5 लड़के आपके कैदी हैं। उनकी चिट्ठी आती है कि आपने सबको कुरान शरीफ दी। वो लोग बैरक में सोते हैं, आपके जवान बाहर सोते हैं। वो लोग चारपाई पे सोते हैं, आपके जवान ज़मीन पे सोते हैं। आप जब जाते हैं हाथ मिलाते हैं सबके साथ, लंगर में जाकर खाना टेस्ट करते हैं। टर्न अराउंड, गवर्नर वाज विद मी। अब हम कभी नहीं मानेंगे साहब कि हिंदू खराब है। And I got into trouble in my own country. The bureaucrats and the ministers complained about me कि चीफ साहब तो उनको ऐसा रखते हैं कि जैसे उनके जवाई हैं, as if they were my sons-in-law. They complained against me, cabinet meeting, at the meeting. Mr. Gandhi looked at me, I said, Prime Minister, they were soldiers. They fought. They fought extremely well. They lost. And I'm looking after the soldiers. It was after the 1971 conflict. I was in my room. There was a little girl from some magazine. She came and talked to me about all sorts of things. She ate my chocolates and she did all sorts of things. And then she asked me that, Field Marshal, you belong to the Frontier Force Regiment, which is in Pakistan. Why didn't you go to Pakistan? And I said, Mr. Jinnah did ask me. But I said, I've finished commanding. I'm now an Indian. I've married an Indian girl and I'm here. And then she asked me, and what would have happened if you had gone to Pakistan? So I bent her over and slapped her bottom. I said, I should have won the war and I would have thrashed you.
On 1st of January 1973, he was made India's first Field Marshal.